My name is Jeff, and I first came to Dr. Shapira about 9 years ago because my snoring was getting to the point that my wife was threatening to not sleep with me anymore. And since coming and getting a TAP device and wearing it every night, my wife is overjoyed, thrilled, brags to all her other friends and their husbands about the fact that it changed my sleeping habits so incredibly. And it's lasted me 9 years now, and I couldn't be more happy with it.
What happened to your appliance?
I left it on the nightstand, and my dog chewed it up and almost ate it. So don't do that. Don't leave it out for your dog.
Okay, anything you'd like to add?
It's perfectly fine to put this on the internet.
Great, thank you.
Sure.